Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to add Google Analytics into your Forms account. To do this, you will need to have a Google Analytics account. If you do not have one, then go to analytics.google.com to set up an account. Now with that out of the way, let's get started. To add Google Analytics into your Forms account, you'll need your GA tracking code. So let's start by going to the My Account settings in Indition Forms. Then we can click on the Google Analytics Settings tab, and then on the right you will see an input box that says Enter Google Analytics ID. And it's that easy. Just copy and paste your GA tracking code and then click Save, and you will now be able to start getting real-time tracking and analytics with your form. Real quick, if you do not know where to find your GA tracking code /ID, then you can follow along. When you first log in to Google Analytics, you will get taken to your home screen. From there, you can click on the settings gear icon in the bottom left corner, and then a new screen will appear, and in the second column you will find tracking info. Click on that, and in the drop down, click on tracking code. Then from there, you'll see a new screen where you will see your tracking ID number. And with that, you now know how to add Google Analytics into your Indition Forms account. Thanks again for watching, and please leave a thumbs up if you found the video useful, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.